The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice will hold a meeting on the Uniform Civil Code (UCC) today. President Draupadi Murmu will be on a 5-day visit to Karnataka, Telangana and Maharashtra from today. She will grace the second convocation of Sri Sathya Sai University for Human Excellence at Mudannahalli, Karnataka tomorrow. The Startup 20 Shikhar Summit under India's G20 presidency began in Gurugram, Haryana today. The Startup 20 Engagement Group is hosting the 2-day Startup 20 Shikhar Summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a meeting of his Council of Ministers today evening in New Delhi. According to sources, the meeting is likely to be held at the newly built convention centre at Pragati Maidan in the national capital, which will host the G20 summit in September. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has announced the Indian Women's One-Day International ODI and 2020 International squads for upcoming tour to Bangladesh.